The next set of properties of the schedule that we will look at are the filters. So I will go to the properties of my schedule and I will click filter. And you can see here we have a list of filters that we can use, and if I click on the drop down for the top filter, you can see that I can filter by the level, department, name and area, and these are the 4 fields that I have in my schedule. So that's something to note, is that you can only filter by any fields or properties that are in your schedule. So we can filter by level, and then you see here you have the second column shows you what you can filter by, so whether the level is equals, does not equal, is above, is at or above, etc. And then in the final column you can then select specific levels. Note that you can't type any in, because as the Revit project has specified levels, you can only pick from the selected levels. Alternatively, I could select department, and here we have equals, does not equal, is greater than, and quite a number of different options. And here this is a text value, so if I type in equals, I can then have a drop down, and these are the available options based on the values that are placed in the department for each room. So if I say department equals back of house and I click OK, you can see now that the schedule has been updated to only include rooms that have a back of house department. If I go back to my filters and I change this to, say, recreation, and I click OK, you can see that the schedule updates to include only those where the department equals recreation. Note that you have a limited number of filters, and that also the filters work on an AND basis, not OR. So for example, if I filter by department equals recreation and department equals storage, and I click OK, you can see that the room schedule is empty because there are no rooms that have both a department equal recreation and a department that equals storage. So this is something that's worth noting when you come to scheduling, and we will go through ways around this in the future lectures. For the time being, I'm just going to remove the filters from my schedule so I have a complete list of the rooms.